How to fix desktop icons keep reappearing after deletion in Windows. 1. Unsync the desktop folder from OneDrive. 2. Check the public desktop folder at c:\users\public\desktop. 3. Fix the corrupted recycle bin. Here are some steps to try and fix a corrupted recycle bin in Windows. Restart the computer. A simple restart can clear up minor issues with the recycle bin. Empty the recycle bin. Right-click the recycle bin and select Empty Recycle Bin. Then restart. Run chkdsk, open command prompt as administrator and run chkdsk/f/r. This will scan and fix drive errors. Rebuild the recycle bin. In command prompt, enter rd/s/qc:\recycle.bin to delete the recycle bin folder. Then restart to rebuild it. Delete the info files, browse to c:\recycle.bin and delete any .info files related to corrupted files. Leave the folder files. Change permissions, take ownership of the recycle bin folder and grant yourself full control to resolve permission issues. Restore from a restore point. If a recent update caused it, restore system to an earlier restore point. Re-register shell X, run regs for 32/I shell 32.dll to re-register the Windows shell. Check drive errors, use chkdsk, Windows disk error checking or a repair tool to fix any hard drive corruption errors. Repair install, as a last resort, try repairing Windows system files by doing an in-place repair install to fix recycle bin issues. Backup data first before trying fixes like chkdsk or reinstalls. A corrupted recycle bin typically requires rebuilding the folder structure to get it functioning again. 4. Scan for malware. Scan for malware.